in Massachusetts, Robert.
Hey, Jim, it's an honor and a pleasure and a great big Boston booyah to all of Cramer Nation. And I'd like to ask you about a stock, Bionano Genomics, a recent high flyer back to earth.
I know you have to buy these genomic stocks when they come in. And this one has definitively come in, and I sanction buying it if you want a spec, and only if you want a spec. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
So I went to realmoney.thestreet.com and I found more details about Jimmy Cramer's opinion on Bionano Genomics. As you guys can see, the title of this article, it was released about 3 hours ago, I believe. If you are buying Bionano Genomics, know that it is speculative only. I have a problem with stocks that trade for pennies one day and then soar higher the next day. This article was put together 3 hours ago by Bruce Carmish, one of the writers at Real Money. So it continues. One caller during Monday's lightning round segment of Mad Money asked Jim Cramer about Bionano Genomics. I quote, "But this one for speculation and only for speculation," end quote, said Cramer about the company that provides a platform to analyze the long segment of genomic DNA and other biomolecules structural variations. Heady stuff. Then he continues, let's check out the chart and indicators. In this daily Japanese candlesticks chart of BNGO below, we can see that BNGO was a penny stock until all of a sudden it wasn't. In just 2 months, prices soared from less than $1 to around $15. Pretty amazing. Prices gave up half the rally from late February into March and have been trading below the 50-day moving average line. The moving average line appears to be acting as resistance. The unbalanced volume, in bracket OBV, line soared sharply from December into January and then went sideways with a slight drift lower. Overall, the OBV line is suggesting that buyers of BNGO in December and January have largely stayed with those longs. If they have liquidated, taking profit, they have been very quiet about it. The MACD oscillator has moved below the zero line for an outright sell signal. So what this guy is saying is that the MACD, if you come down, you can find the MACD over here in February, just the first week of February, you know, when the massive sell-off started, the MACD can be seen. It can be seen, you know, showing is a bearish and a sell signal here. So that is what he meant with this statement. So, and of course, he said the 50-day moving average, you know, the price is presently below the 50-day moving average. So let's continue. In this daily point and figure chart of BNGO below, we see only a nearby price target of $10 or so. So this guy is saying in the short term, the price target is $10 according to this Japanese candlesticks, or what do they call it? Let me even check what it is called. I mean, it is called Japanese candlestick. Okay, so he continues. In this second point and figure chart of BNGO below, we used weekly close only price data. Here, the software is projecting the $39 area as a potential long-term price objective. So what this guy is saying is, as a long-term, I mean, if you are a diamond hand, this chart right here is showing a price target of $39. And I want to remind you guys that, you know, this guy works for Mad Money, okay? He's working with Jimmy Cramer, and I believe whatever he's saying here, he is their analyst, you know, the chartist is one of their chartists, or I would say. So whatever this guy is saying, I believe Jimmy is more or less saying it indirectly, okay? So he continues. The bottom line strategy. I have a problem with stocks that trade for pennies one day and then soar higher the next. I like to see proper bases formed with signs of good accumulation, like the OBV line rising for months. That is lacking on BNGO. Longer term, we might see prices go up fourfold from here, but that seems like a speculation right now. A close below $7 weakens the chart. So what this guy is saying is, long term, we might see price of Bionano Genomics times 4. This is 4x, okay? And he's saying that the support is right now at $7 US, and if we go below $7 US, then this is not good for BNGO. So I believe that is all from the street, which of course, you know, is popularly known because of Jimmy Cramer. So let's go to today's news. So before I continue, please, my name is Dayo, Dayo, and this is Frunkla Investment. If you are new on this channel, please kindly subscribe, you know, join this channel, because on this channel we discuss Bionano Genomics 99.9% of the time, every day from Sunday to Sunday. Okay, so let's get to it. The maximum pain of BNGO has moved back to $9 US, guys. It was $10 until yesterday. It is now at $9 For those of you that are tracking the maximum pain, you know, it was $9 last month, then it moved to $10 few weeks ago. It stayed $10, and right now it has moved back to $9. You guys can easily see, which of course, you know, I believe is because the price of BNGO has been trading below $9, you know, just a little bit above $9, below $9 for some days now. So I believe that is why it has moved back to this area. You guys can easily see the chart. So let's go down so I can show you the difference. You can see it is now $9 when you come to the 0%. So let's go to the next one. Now this is a more or less a breaking news, you know, for those of you that don't know what is going on. You know, I come to Bionano Genomics every day to see what is going on with their, you know, if there is any news and stuff. So I discovered that they have just updated their website. Okay, I mean, this is not how the website looked like. You guys can easily see they have, you know, updated their website structure, and now they provide more information than they were providing before. And I am going to show you guys something that I just discovered. So if you come to company and you click on press releases, it's going to take you to a completely new page. Okay, this page doesn't look like this before. They have just updated their website, guys, and now you can see they have the, you know, IR contact on this side and the news media on this side. You can see their most recent news right here on March 15, Bionano Genomics to present at. But that is not why I took you guys here. Let's go to the overview. There is something interesting that I want to show you guys. Take a look at this, guys. Latest financial results. Bionano Genomics made this filing on the 19th of February, but I missed it because, you know, this kind of information wasn't easily accessible on their website. So let me show you guys something that I just discovered. So check this out, guys. Bionano Genomics has leased an aggregate of 16,607 additional square feet of office. You know, this is a growth company we are talking about, and they are growing. They have just leased additional 16,607 square feet of office, guys. You know, manufacturing and warehousing space in a building located at 9640 Town Center Drive, San Diego, California. So I am going to show you guys the new Bionano Genomics office, because most of you guys have no idea what the office of Bionano Genomics looks like. Okay, so let's get to it. So check this out, guys. 640,9640. You can easily see Bionano Genomics right here, and this space up, I believe it belongs to Bioterra Gnostics. This is another company entirely. So you guys are not going to think like Bionano Genomics is trying to acquire this company. No, this company belongs to another bigger company right now. So this is the new office space of Bionano Genomics. I am not really sure if this is where the management are using right now, but I am going to show you guys the second office space. I mean, their old office space, which of course is located somewhere around here. So this is 9,540. I believe Bionano Genomics is inside this building. I mean, this is their official address according to their previous most recently filed 8K. So you can see the parking space. It is big enough, you know, to occupy most of all these companies that are out here. Bionano Genomics is not alone on this. This is a property, you know, they rent, all these companies right here, they rent this space. So you can see Reliance Funding, you know, UC, blah blah blah. So Bionano Genomics is right here. Okay, all right, so I made a tweet few minutes ago, I don't think it's up to 1 hour ago, that I made this tweet that if you have any question that you would like me to deal with, you can kindly drop it in the comment section. So I got 2 questions from 2 of my followers, and Rain Kesperi said, I want to know how Sapphire device is made. Is this something very new? What is the difference between Sapphire and another devices? So I think this question is not complete. I mean, Sapphire and another devices, maybe he's talking about PacBio and the Novasec 6000 from Illumina. There is a possibility that is what he's talking about, or maybe he is new in this Bionano Genomics, stock, or this genomics industry. So Rain, what I would like to tell you is Bionano Genomics Sapphire is the only device out there that is able to detect structural variations that other devices from all these sequencing technologies are unable to detect at the same price, at the same speed, and at the same cost effective. Okay, that's just all I think I can tell you right now. And if you would like to know more about Bionano Genomics, you can easily go on my page and you can see my pinned post is about, more or less introduction to Bionano Genomics. So please go there. And Carl Victor said you could do a YouTube live earnings stream. And I told him, I don't plan to do any live earnings or any live streaming right now, guys. I mean, I would do it in the future, but not right now. So I suggest he goes to Mr. Invest, one of my friends or colleagues that is also covering Bionano Genomics, or you can go to the Full Bull podcast. Those guys also cover Bionano Genomics. All right, everyone. So this is the technical analysis of Bionano Genomics. As I have told you guys previously that I don't expect BNGO to break this $10 easily. You can easily see that, over a week now, we have been moving sideways since 9th of March. As you can easily see, we have been in this $9 range. We are just going up above $9, to $10 we went once, then we came down to $8. Then we are now back to, this $9 range. Right now, the stock is down about 3%, 2.89% to be precise, and it is trading at $8.79. So according to Jim Cramer, analyst, he is expecting BNGO to stay above $7. If it goes below $7, according to his let me plot his moving average, because he said where is it? Candle indicators, moving average, 50 moving average. Let me use the color red and save it. So you guys can easily see we are using the daily candlestick right now, and he said, according to the analyst, he is saying if the price of BNGO moves below this $7, which of course I don't completely agree with. He said if it moves below $7, then it will keep going down. So I don't really agree with that guy's opinion on the chart. We can easily see that we still have the 61.8% retracement at this $6 level. So if Bionano Genomics, anything can happen, guys. Okay, if Bionano Genomics moves below the $7, it is not going to keep going down, guys. I don't agree with that guy. It can easily come to this support level, because we were here already. You can easily see on the 5th of this month we came as low as $5.5, and then we bounced back. So if we come back, I believe there is a strong support at this level, which of course is below the $7 that he was suggesting in his analysis. So like I told you guys, when this candlestick appeared, I told you guys that this is a bullish candlestick. It is a pregnancy candlestick. You can go and check my videos about technical analysis. I told you guys that I don't expect this candle, the price of BNGO to keep going up on a straight line. It is going to be, waving. It's going to be red, green, red, green, green, red, green, red, green, red, red. So, but of course, I expect the price of BNGO to keep rising, but we have to break this $10 and we have to stay above this 50%, in my opinion. And if we come down here, it is just to wipe out all these margin traders or speculators or whatever. According to Jim Cramer, he's saying this stock is a speculative stock, but of course it is not. Some of us bought at 0.50 cents when nobody believed in the company. So I don't agree with any analyst that is calling BNGO a speculative stock. maybe in the short term is right, to some extent, but in the long term, I believe this is a long hold for me. And as you guys know, I have about 70% of one of my portfolio right now fully invested in Bionano Genomics. 70%, over 10,000 US dollars. So I believe that is all I want to show you guys in this video. We just have to watch out for this 10 US dollars resistance, and of course we have to watch out for this 8 US dollars support. Okay, so we are still much more, we are very safe. Don't forget guys, in few hours time there is earning call, and finally we can know what Bionano Genomics, if they are going to, we can know what Bionano Genomics is up to, what they have been up to, what they have bought, acquired, whatever, what they plan for the nearest future, their future guidance, and so on and so forth. So I believe that is all about this video. So I am going to post another video later after the earnings to share my opinion with you guys. So have a wonderful day guys. Till then, bye bye.